Hello and welcome to navigating your virtual office. First of all, please make sure that you are reviewing the requirements in your area with your broker, including those related to non-essential business and telemarketing to your consumers. This program is optional and discusses best practices for your consideration. Today's demonstration will cover desk. Our affiliated agents have always worked in a virtual world. They're constantly on the go and need to focus on servicing their customers and selling properties, not trying to navigate a confusing web of tools and sites to get things done. So technology should streamline their work, but instead it's slowing them down, which is why we created Desk, a virtual office for today's agents. Easy to navigate, real-time updates, smart insights, Desk is the glue that guides the journey and simplifies your world, where Coldwell Banker affiliated agents start and end their day. Key features include simplified navigation and robust search function, favorites, notifications, profile management, help center and support chat, company news and updates, home page app customization. So with that, in today's live demonstration, we will be covering the following topics: navigating the left side menu and key information, organizing tiles and applications, customizations, chat support, notifications, and Google-like search function. So with that, let's go to Desk. The first step is to log into Desk. By going to mycbdesk.com at the top of your browser, you can also accomplish this on mobile devices by opening your browser and typing in mycbdesk.com. Once you are logged in to Desk, you will see the main page of Desk. If you're a new agent, you should have received a welcome email with instructions of how to log in. So let's navigate. Key navigation links are accessible on the left side of Desk. This is where you can access company news, support documents, forms, global luxury information, and more. So let me illustrate several of the categories, starting with company. Within the company menu, you can find CB briefs, the news resource for company updates, also support departments. If I collapse the company menu, I'll be able to easily see the next menu item, which is marketing. Marketing will show you a professional email signature generator, very easy to use, a QR code generator where you can enter any URL and either copy to your clipboard or download that QR code for your usage. Global luxury and all of its features, certification, the global luxury threshold tool to check whether a listing qualifies as a global luxury branding, a logo gallery as well, where you can easily view and download the logos that you need for graphics. You also have information on public relations and social media. Let's collapse that menu one more time so that we can easily view the next menu item, which is My Business. Within My Business, you can find awards and production, referral rewards, education, forms, My Production as well. The next menu item is Partners and Services, where you can find information on American Home Shield, for example, Guarantee Rate Affinity, and Title. If I click the logo at the top left-hand corner or the word desk, that takes me home back to my dashboard. You have the ability to organize these tiles. So first-time users will notice certain tiles, aka apps, are set up as default. You can organize your apps as you wish. You can select more or less and change your preference at any time. So you may ask, what is an app? At the top of each tile is the name of the program. Then below that is text telling you what the program does. Then there's a picture that gives you an idea of what the tile is. And all tiles will also have blue action links at the bottom. Examples of the blue action links are dashboard, access, etc. Some tiles have 3 dots Some tiles have 3 dots at the bottom right-hand corner. These will have a link to the Help Center and in some cases to other selections. To streamline the look and feel of your dashboard, you have the ability to remove or hide some of the tiles. So let me show you how you can do that. As we stated earlier, you can easily organize the apps as you wish. So you can hover with your cursor over one of the tiles, and then you will see a visible X, which you can click on to remove it from your main dashboard. No worries, that doesn't go away forever. It's not deleted. You can add it back in from the bank of apps that you've hidden. So let's take a look as how we can add some of those tiles. In the top right-hand corner of each tile, you will see the X symbol, like I said, to remove it, but to add them back in, you can scroll to the bottom of your screen and click on the blue Add App button. You will see any of the hidden apps listed in alphabetical order, and you can very easily click the app or apps and click the Add button, which will place it once again back on the dashboard. Apps will always be added at the top, so first in line, and you can drag and drop each tile to place it where you want it to be, so you determine where you want that to go as such. To access a certain app, you can click on any part of the tile, the name, or the picture, and it will open up the program. So here we go. Now, how do we easily find an app? You can quickly find an app by using the search bar that is on the top right above all of your apps. You can search bar right here where it says Find App and put in the name of your app, and it'll filter to that app and you can easily access it. If I click the X, it will take me back to my dashboard to view all of the apps. Let's talk now about categories. Categories is where you can access an app directly based on a specific category. You can click My Apps right here at the top. Looks like 6 squares put together like a Rubik's Cube. You will see these categories such as most recently used apps, productivity, marketing, finance, education. And if I click on the settings link, it would show me all of the apps at once on a list. To get back to my dashboard, I can either click the word desk or the logo to get me back to my dashboard. Next, let's talk about the notifications. At the top right-hand corner of desk is a bell right here. You can access quick reminders about what's happening within the company by accessing your notifications by the bell icon. New notifications will be indicated by a number and a red circle. I don't have any right now because I've already read all of my notifications. If I click back on the bell, it will hide that menu. Next, let's talk about favorites. At the top right-hand corner of desk is a heart. You can save your favorite resources all in one place so that you can easily access. You can favorite all of the documents or links that you use the most from desk. As you can see, I have some shortcuts to frequently used links for me. And to add a new favorite, you can click the link, paste the URL, and name your new favorite. Next is the Help Center. At the top right-hand corner of desk is a question mark. You can browse the Help Center for answers to frequently asked questions, tutorials, videos, and quick start guides for each one of the apps, as you can see here. At the bottom right-hand corner of desk is a blue question mark. You can connect with a support member for quick answers or more advanced questions. I'm going to give you the phone number. You can take note of it. 877-426-5393. 877-426-5393. for 24/7 service. Now let's look at navigation. Navigation has been completely built into Desk, so you do not have to leave and go into another app to find your materials, your forms, your documents. You can just use this search bar at the very top. So we can put in any keywords of what we need to search, and this will filter and provide us our results. Back to my Desk dashboard. Next, let's talk about Desk Profile Manager. The Desk Profile Manager is your go-to profile management tool, helping you achieve a more efficient and streamlined data process. Profile Manager enables you to manage your data in real time and ensures that your information automatically syncs to existing source systems and cascades them to other Anywhere products. Click on the round person icon at the top right-hand corner of Desk and then My Profile. You will see 5 categories. So let me open one up for an agent so I can illustrate exactly what you will see. So the 5 categories are About Me, Contact Info, Office, Social, and Lead Settings. So let's go through each one of these. About Me has general information that includes first, middle, last name, which can only be updated in the source systems. You can also add or remove spoken languages. If we scroll down, enter a bio title and add your updated bio in the paragraph field. You can also add a personal video URL. There is a 4,000 character limit to that bio paragraph. So as you obtain any real estate certifications or designations, ensure they are showcased to consumer by adding them to designations. Some of the designations added via source systems cannot be removed. If they need to be removed, reach out to your office administrator. Add or remove specializations for your profile. Some of these specializations have been added via source systems and also cannot be removed. Once all changes are made in the About Me tab, click the Save Changes button, which will be visual if you added any information or you edited any information. Moving on to Contact Info. You can view, edit, or add some of the following: the email address, the phone number, the business phone number, fax numbers. The email cannot be updated in Desk Profile Manager, so it's shown with a padlock icon to prevent updates. Reach out to your office administrator regarding any request to update your business email. You can add or update only the fields that are available. Let's look at the Office tab. Data in the Office tab cannot currently be updated in Desk Profile. All fields are read-only and have the padlock icon to prevent any updates, with the exception of Preferred City. So if you like to add the primary city where you do business, you can add it under Preferred City. Make that update here. Next is the Social tab. The Social tab makes attracting and engaging your clients on social media a lot easier. If social site URLs were previously added to your agent profile in the source systems, then they will be shown here in the Profile Manager Social tab. You can edit or add your personal website, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, X, Pinterest, and a link for blog. Next is the Lead Settings. This is the last tab within Profile Manager. Lead Settings allows you to update the lead, CRM, and availability information within Profile Manager. Updates are written back to the Leads Engine app. So add your preferred contact phone number and email address, as well as your preferred method of contact. Phone number, email. You can also check on if you want these notifications to arrive via text. You can also add your preferred CRM, Market Leader in Touch or MoxieWorks, or none from this drop-down menu. Note that most agents will select MoxieWorks as it is the company provided CRM unless they've opted to pay for Market Leader in Touch. If you choose none, then your leads will go to your email, but not to the CRM system. You can also adjust your days and hours of availability to receive leads. Plus, you can enable vacation mode if you do not want to receive leads during the time that you're going out of town, for example. I wanted to remind you of our next available appointment service where you can book a 20-minute solution-oriented virtual appointment with one of our 100+ marketers in as little as 2 hours. You can book these appointments for support on your core marketing tools at nextavailableappointment.com by scanning the QR code that you see here on the screen, or simply clicking the next available appointment tile on desk.